Hi guys. So the idea of this video is to finally do something where I'm not sharing the screen and I'm not showing something on the screen and boring you with my coughs and sneezes. And the idea is to talk a little bit about what's going on in the industry and what's happening with all this AI revolution and stuff. I just wanted to announce that officially all the frameworks that have been sold open source on Ninja Coding are now available for people who cannot code at all. Because currently what's happened is that not only you can code things from scratch with AI, including strategies, maybe not so good with strategies, but if you give them something which already has a pretty good framework built in and build on top of that, remember how I used to say, so you take this framework and you adjust it to your trading needs, add filters. It would be take a strategy and then, hey, I want an ADX filter. That would mean go in and code in its parameters. And that would take you, well, at least 15 to 25 minutes to add a single indicator filter. You get pretty tired after half an hour. I mean, you still need to physically code it in. So now AI will stick it in for you within a minute. So take my framework, tell it, okay, this is great, but I want to play around with a few filters. Would you please insert, I don't know, ADX, EMA, triple AMA, whatever. And it'll do it in the blink of an eye. And that's the beauty of open source products now. So what I am trying to announce in this video is finally it makes sense to provide open source opportunities for people because that's the way software is going. Now you can actually take it and do whatever you want with it. And you don't need to code. You don't need to hire anybody to code it for you. You can do it yourself very, very easily. Chances that there will be systematic mistakes that will break the architecture are very small because it's already in there. So if you were building this strategy from scratch, let's say, I don't know, a 3-screen strategy with multiple time frames, with multiple time frame filters, chances are that it would still take you some time, even with AI, because you would need to debug every single stage, check whether it's working or not. But now if you give it a framework, for instance, daily breakout trading, you could actually ask it about the current architecture, and you could ask it about ways it can be modified, and you can ask it about the limits, and you could ask it about many things that you can actually do and do not with it, because that's already all in there. What I'm planning to do, which I hope is going to work out, is take a few existing open source strategies that I have and actually show you how to work with AI using these strategies. So actually how to get this open source framework and start from scratch, right? With a few requests, just edit it and extend it and test it further. Check out my products, comment which strategy you want me to go for first.